Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for staying with me, and today I'm going to make Daiquiri, classic Daiquiri. It has only 3 ingredients too. I'm gonna use Bacardi Rum, 2 ounce, and 1 ounce simple syrup, and I'm gonna use 1 ounce fresh lime juice, and I'm going to use this martini glass today. As I told you, the first ingredient is Bacardi Rum, 2 ounce Bacardi Rum. This is 1.5, and I'm gonna pour another 15 ml. There you go, easily 2 ounce. Just 1 ounce simple syrup. Great. And also 1 ounce fresh lime juice. Right. Great. Great. And I'm gonna shake it. Great. Strain it now in the glass. There you go. This is your Daiquiri, classic Daiquiri. Delicious one. Cheers. I'm gonna take a sip. Perfect. Delicious. You can make it simply at home. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description so you can have it and make it at home simply. Thanks guys for staying with me. And in my next video, I'm gonna make some Halloween cocktails. So keep watching my channel and stay with me. Thank you guys.